Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I would like to introduce you to the most versatile bowl you can have in your kitchen. This is by Amazing Abby, and it looks stunning and like crystal, but it's acrylic. What makes this the most versatile bowl? Well, first of all, it is beautiful enough you can use it as a serving. So, salad or a bag of chips when you have guests over, it's perfect for that because it looks nice. But because it is acrylic, I don't mind using it like a workhorse in the kitchen either. It also makes the perfect popcorn bowl. It perfectly holds one serving of popcorn for my air popper for when I want to watch a movie. And because it's a nice, big, wide open area, several hands can reach in there at once. And if you're busy like me, you don't have to worry about hand washing this. It is definitely dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about hand washing this beautiful but durable bowl. This is a set of two, so you always have one clean. If you ask me, I feel like everyone needs these bowls in their kitchen because they are so versatile. I find myself using them every day, no matter what I am doing in the kitchen. But that's just my point of view.